Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be taking a closer look at one of the most exciting new supercars on the market, the McLaren 750S 2024. Exterior design: McLaren 750S is a stunning car, no matter which angle you look at it. It's got a sleek, aerodynamic design that's both stylish and functional. Front end is dominated by a large air intake, which helps to cool the car's powerful engine. The side profile is low and flowing, and the rear end features a dramatic diffuser that helps to improve downforce. Interior design: interior of the McLaren 750S is just as impressive as the exterior. It's a cockpit that's designed for both comfort and performance. Seats are made from Alcantara, which is a luxurious material that's also very durable. Dashboard is clean and uncluttered, and all of the controls are within easy reach. Engine and performance: McLaren 750S is powered by a twin-turbocharged 4.0-litre V8 engine that produces 740 horsepower. This engine is capable of propelling the car from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.5 seconds. The 750S also has a top speed of over 200 miles per hour. The McLaren 750S is an incredible car to drive. It's incredibly responsive and agile, and it feels like it's glued to the road. The steering is precise and the brakes are incredibly powerful. The 750S is also surprisingly comfortable for a supercar, making it a great car for both long drives and short sprints. The McLaren 750S is an incredible car that's sure to impress anyone who drives it. It's got everything you could want in a supercar: stunning looks, a powerful engine, and an amazing driving experience. If you're looking for the ultimate supercar, the McLaren 750S is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this look at the McLaren 750S 2024. If you did, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more automotive content.